Pathways for Prosperity Commission launched a new report which has indicated that actually a new manifesto which is aimed at helping developing countries achieve technological transformation. The manifesto outlines 10 steps that governments of the developing economies can use as tools to ensure they become authors of their own digital destinies. Mobile internet connectivity in sub-Saharan Africa is strong yet sporadic, as certain populations have more penetration than others.
Women and people who are traditionally marginalized have a seat at the table, so you don't bake bias into the system, and so they create the economy of the future.
The private sector and companies like Tala can actually play. And the way that I think about that part of the manifesto is actually saying internally, how can these private sector companies or companies like Tala actually make sure that they're putting inclusivity and equality, or equity I would say, into their cultures and how they actually design their teams. So I think ultimately what we're saying is in the digital manifesto, it's about holistic frameworks.
We know very well that a country like Kenya or any small country in the global economy can't just do it alone. We need to make sure that developing countries in general are empowered to coordinate internationally also some of the things. The obvious things are to do with international taxation, to work together with other countries that actually this whole move towards a more digital economy is not just captured only by a few big corporations.